Is it time to buy or sell VALE stock? In this video, we are diving deep into VALE. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 8th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 11th, 2024, our system has ranked VALE as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.43. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a loss of negative 13.53%. This amounts to an average daily loss of negative 0.71% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which can often indicate a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $8.26 be breached, it would first suggest an acceleration in the downward movement. The ongoing 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 21% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from about 23% to 11% in the negative. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a decline of nearly 30% over the next year, with expected returns between 30% and 13% in the negative. This points to a price range of $5.90 to $7.37 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for VALE includes the headline, VALE's stock price down 0.701% on Wednesday. On the last day, which was Wednesday, the 8th of January, 2025, the VALE stock price decreased by 0.701%, from $8.56 to $8.50. This marks 4 consecutive days of decline. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 1.07%, reaching a low of $8.42 and a high of $8.51. The stock has fallen in 6 out of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decrease of 4.92% during this period. Interestingly, the trading volume also declined on the last day, alongside the stock price, which is typically a positive indicator, as volume should align with stock movement. On that day, trading volume decreased by 5 million shares, with a total of 23 million shares changing hands, amounting to approximately $197.05 million. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $15.02, while the lowest was $8.42. Currently, the price stands at 43.41%, or $6.52, below the 52-week high, and 63.32%, or $14.68, below the all-time high recorded on the 25th of June, 2021, when the price peaked at $23.18. VALE recently made headlines by reaching an agreement with Brazilian authorities to renew 2 railway concession contracts and committing $1.8 billion towards this initiative. This strategic move highlights VALE's dedication to enhancing its logistics capabilities, which could significantly reduce operational costs in the long run. Improved infrastructure may not only support VALE's production efficiency, but also bolster revenue, particularly as the company adapts to shifting market dynamics. On the broader market front, VALE stock has struggled recently, reflecting a 42% decline year-to-date, notably sharper than its peers. This downturn has brought increased investor attention, generating discussions surrounding its potential recovery. Analysts suggest that, despite the short-term challenges, VALE remains a long-term investment opportunity due to its strong dividend yield and strategic buybacks. Looking ahead, global mining firms are navigating a complex landscape fraught with geopolitical uncertainties. VALE's positioning as a player in the iron ore market appears promising, especially as the market anticipates a shift away from heavy reliance on Chinese demand. VALE is also poised to benefit from lower production costs in future scenarios, with analysts projecting a potential for significant net gains amongst top dividend-paying companies by the end of 2025. VALE's focus on long-term sustainability could make it an attractive option for investors looking for stability and growth. Overall, these developments suggest that while VALE faces immediate headwinds, its proactive approach could foster a more positive stock performance in both the short and long term. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 6th of January, 2025, it was reported that Scotiabank assigned VALE a sector perform rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 16th of October, 2024, BMO Capital rated VALE as outperform while also recommending a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, Scotiabank reiterated a sector perform rating for VALE, again suggesting a hold. On Wednesday, the 9th of October, 2024, Wolfe Research provided a underperform rating for VALE, coupled with a downgrade recommendation. Finally, on Friday, the 4th of October, 2024, Citigroup assigned a buy rating to VALE, while also recommending a hold action. Analysts have assigned VALE stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for VALE. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. Currently, VALE stock is displaying sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, leading to a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal is noted due to the long-term average being positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance will be encountered at levels of $8.70 and $9.35. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, December 10th, 2024, and since then, the stock has declined by 13.92%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. It's worth noting that volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 20 days ago. Bollinger Bands provided a buy signal 13 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a sell 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 43 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 55 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average issued a buy signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average presented a buy signal 43 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 45 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for VALE. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions are unfavorable, the stock may face significant declines in the upcoming days. The stock typically exhibits average daily movements and maintains a decent trading volume, leading to a medium risk assessment. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 90 cents between its highest and lowest points, representing a movement of 1.07%. In the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 1.98%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for VALE, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 20th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 56 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VALE. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VALE is at $9.85. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss established. Is VALE stock a good buy? Currently, VALE exhibits several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and downward trend. Consequently, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Thus, our assessment of this stock is unfavorable. Upon evaluating the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 10th of January, we project that VALE will open lower by approximately 2.33 cents and commence trading at $8.48. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.